News coming in, the Ministry of Home Affairs has now denied permission to grant prosecution sanctions against IB officials in the Ishrat Jahan case. The CBI had earlier sought a sanction to prosecute 4 IB officials. Prema is now joining us for more on that. We'll try and get that line across to Prema. Prema getting us that latest saying that the MHA now has denied permission to grant prosecution sanctions against IB officials in the Ishrat Jahan alleged fake encounter case, and the CBI had earlier sought sanction to prosecute 4 IB officials, and now it looks like that the MHA has denied permission to grant prosecution to sanction all of these 4 IB officials. In fact, sources indicating that the MHA has denied permission to grant prosecution to sanction 4 IB officials in the Ishrat Jahan case. Prema is now joining us for more on that. Yes, Prema.
Well, we are getting to understand that the MHA has rejected CBI's demand to grant prosecution sanction to the 4 IB officials in the Ishrat Jahan case. If you remember, 4 IB officials were named by the CBI, which includes former Special Director Rajendra Kumar, Tarun Mittal, M.K. Sinha and Rajiv Manghe. And CBI had said that these 4 people were involved in the conspiracy and had particularly named Rajendra Kumar, and they had slammed the charges of murder, criminal conspiracy, kidnapping, and also under the Arms Act, they had named Rajendra Kumar in the supplementary charge sheet. Now we are getting to understand that the MHA has denied sanction for prosecution against these 4 IB officials. In fact, if you remember earlier, the MHA had raised queries regarding the role of the IB officials in the encounter killing to the CBI, and the MHA had particularly asked that why did the CBI not initiate any action against the then Ahmedabad Police Commissioner when the encounter took place under his jurisdiction. And also MHA feels that there are conflicting versions about the site where the encounter took place, and there are conflicting versions about the identities of the persons who died. And MHA basically had asked pointed questions on the theory of the weapons being planted on the victims. So to that, the CBI has been constantly reiterating its demand and has been saying that they need a prosecution sanction from the MHA, and the CBI on its part has been saying that the charge sheet they had provided was based on scientific and forensic evidences obtained during the course of their investigation. CBI still sticks to their stand that the JD of IB Rajendra Kumar was involved in the criminal conspiracy, but right now MHA has denied this sanction for prosecution against the 4 IB officials.
दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण स्थिति है। ऐसे जो केसेस हुए थे, अगर आप देखें 1 साल में जितने ये फॉल्स इनकाउंटर्स हुए थे, जितने अधिकारियों को इसमें पकड़ा गया था, उन सबको इस सरकार धीरे धीरे करके क्लीन चिट देते आ रही है। और सबसे बड़ा आज ये ऐसा हुआ है कि मैं स्वयं गृह मंत्रालय में रहा हूं और आज जिस तरह का क्लीन चिट दी है, एक बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण स्थिति है। और इस देश में क्या अब न्याय आम आदमी को नहीं मिलेगा।